In this video, we are going to show you that we can upgrade the 4-inch SYNC3 module to 8-inch SYNC3 version with touchscreen control. So right now we have SYNC3 module originally from the factory. It is installed in a 4-inch screen vehicle. So if you choose 8-inch SYNC3 setting, then it will just show up in a corner. If you choose the correct setting with SYNC3 4.3-inch setting, it will be centered with buttons to control the contents of the radio. So right now it has no touch control, but you can control with the buttons. Right now we can do some like reformatting of the SYNC3 module. This is the SYNC3 module we are working on. And after reformatting, we will continue the video showing that they actually have touch control and the function of 8-inch SYNC3. Okay, this is after the formatting of the SYNC3 module. Right now we have 8-inch screen and touch control, and it's also if you connect in the vehicle, it should be fully functional. Okay, and see, it's the same sync module connected at the back.